Breathe. I don't think she's breathing. Oh my god, guys, if we kill Chewie.
If he dies, you'll suck.
And it's towards your hand.
Jesus is with you now.
Apparently, we have no idea how to act in public.
Chewie, please be quiet.
This weird lady just came out and gave us this look. She's in the office behind us. See? We're at Nazareth Hall. The old people, they're scared of her.
So close to someone.
No, seriously, Chewie, shh, Chewie, seriously, shh.
I'm gonna go now. This is not helping. My commentary